Today, I'm going to show you how to use the average function in Microsoft Excel. This tutorial will help you understand how to calculate the average of a range of numbers easily. Now, the average function is a quick and easy way to find the mean of a group of numbers. To get started, we are going to be using the data set on my screen and on display. So, to my left, the data set here is we are going to be finding the average of each of the range. Then thereafter, we'll find for all the ranges. So to do so, I quickly input my equals to sign. I type in average. Be sure not to pick average A or average if or average ifs. Make sure it's average that you double click on and then you select the range. Once that is done, you press your enter key. And as usual, to do that for the remaining of the data set, you simply drag and autofill. That is all. Now, to do that for the whole range, I put in my equals to sign. I type in average. I select my first range. I separate it by a comma. I select my second range. I separate it by a comma. I select my third range. I separate it by a comma. I select my last range and I press enter key. Or you can simply do it with this shorter method. You come over here, you press your equals to sign, you call up your average function, and you simply drag and highlight. Then you press your enter key. Doing it for this other data set, my equals to sign, I call up my average function, I highlight, I press enter, I drag and autofill. And to find the average of the whole data set, I press equals to, I call up my average function, I drag and I press enter key. So that is how you find the average of your data set. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.